Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter Konunda. If this is your first visit, kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for future uploads notifications. Help me share these videos widely and feel free to ask questions in the comments area or send me an email through the email on this page. I also urge you to watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on important information. Now, for the purposes of this video, I must inform you that I am the proprietor of Krona Sounds based in Nairobi, Kenya. Our services mainly include sound system or public address systems and DJ services for hire during corporate, public and private events. Founded in 2013, we have been able to offer our services to individuals and various organizations, including but not limited to the St. John Ambulance Kenya, Light International School, and Cellulant Kenya, among others. One of the major challenges that we faced was getting a reliable wireless microphone system at an affordable price that could compete with the best brands in the market. All the microphone systems we purchased before were cheap and worked within a short range, after which the signal would be unstable and with a lot of noise during usage. Our first purchase of GTD audio model on 16th March 2019 at eBay changed our experience, and we are glad to share this with you. GTD audio G622H wireless microphone system is a low-budget microphone system that delivers superior sound quality with professional features. It comes with 200 selectable frequencies for easy use with multiple systems and can be placed near speakers with no feedback or distortion. And the audio quality and operational range for this microphone is just amazing. Now we are going to unbox our new set of microphone systems purchased on eBay so that you can see what is inside this package. The packaging looks a little old, worn out. Well, I have to tell you that I bought two sets of the same microphone. One was delivered to a friend in Meru town. So the two sets were strapped together using an extra layer of this packaging. The microphone set has never been used before, and we are opening it for the first time. So one good thing with GTD audio is that whenever you buy it, it comes with an extra layer just for protection. So this is how your microphone should look like. The brand is GTD audio. It's an ultra high frequency wireless microphone system. So let's open and see what's in this box. The wireless microphone system is well protected by a layer of shockproof protectors. This is the receiver that you get. As you can see, this has not been opened previously. This is the way the microphone was packaged from the shipping company. I'm going to tear this so that we can see what the receiver looks like. Oh, I love the packaging. Yes, I love the packaging of this system. You can see that at this point we have an infrared port. This is what you use to sync your microphone or the handset with the receiver. These are the points where your antennas go or are connected to. I'll show you what your antennas look like. You then have a power button, a volume knob. You have a menu. This is for your different channels. You have a menu, a select button, and an act button. This is replicated in channel B, and there is a volume, a GTD audio logo, and your antenna B goes there. The casing is metallic. It's quite heavy. So at the back, you get one DC input between 12 to 18 volts. So that is where your adapter, power adapter goes in. Then we have a squelch, control knob, XLR port, 2 of them for channel A and channel B. And then we have a mixed audio output. This is where you can connect your 1/4-inch jack pin for the 2 channels. As you can see, it's indicated mix A plus B, meaning that you can get all the outputs from both channels on a single 1/4-inch jack. Now, you notice that there is another squelch control knob for channel B. There is a warning here that maybe we need to look at. You are told that you should not open this unit because you risk electrocution or electric shock. Well, at the bottom, there's some good rubber knobs that can be used as stands for the receiver. When maybe using the system on top of a table, that put aside, we open another layer of the protective cover, and yes, we get a manual. There is a manual for me. Wow! The last time I purchased GTD audio, I did not receive these cards. I believe the vendor did not include them for a reason. So, product acceptance certificate, a warranty registration card. So, with this, I believe I can register my product through the website shown there. Register your product online at http://www.gtdaudio.net or send this form to GTD Electronics. I believe I'm getting a warranty card because I bought this microphone set from the company itself, GTD Electronics US Incorporation. So you fill in your name, your address, model number, serial number, date of purchase, and place of purchase, and you are covered by the warranty, whatever the warranty covers. I believe that includes service and so on. So the other thing we get inside this packaging is a manual. This is very important. It will help you understand or know how to use the system. So that is our manual, first page. I believe there is a lot for us to learn from the manual, a lot of content. Now this is the first transmitter that we get. It's quite heavy, and again the build quality is just amazing. GTD audio. We have two buttons, a mute button on the right and a power button on the left. So normally to power on your microphone, you'll just hold and press the power button. The other one is here, and if you look closely, you realize that this one has an orange bottom. The other one is blue. So this helps you also differentiate when using the microphones. The other item is the antennas, and this is how your antenna looks like. Channel, this is CHA, I believe that is channel 542.5 M. That should be the frequency if I'm not wrong. Now if you look closely inside, you'll see that there is a wire. Now one thing you need to notice is that you can bend this. You just go place your antenna and then simply screw it to the receiver until it holds, and then from here you can adjust and place your antenna the way you want it, adjust it to the point where you believe it will get maximum reception. The other item in the package is your 1/4-inch single jack. This is what you use to get signals from the receiver, from the back of the receiver to your mixer or your mixing console. I'll leave that. Wow, and looks like this was my lucky day. I also received 2 pairs of the AA 1.5 sized batteries, and then here we have 2 metallic brackets. These are used for mounting the microphone system on your rack. If you have a rack, an equipment rack, then the microphone system is a perfect fit for your 19-inch rack and can be mounted permanently on this. The last item in the package is power adapter. So this is what you use to connect your receiver to a power source. It's brand new. Basically, you may need a top plug to work with this. Wow, and looking at it closely, you realize that I was given it's a 100 to 240 adapter. This works perfectly with the power rating in my region, in my country. I appreciate this. So basically, that is everything inside our microphone system. I want to thank you very much for watching this video to this point. It is your unwavering support that keeps me going and producing more informative content on this channel. Please subscribe and help me share this content with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks once again, and let's meet in the next tutorial. This is Peter Konunda, and I'm off.